Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to streamline your social media posting schedule, Buffer is a powerful tool that can help. Let's go through the steps to get started with Buffer and boost your social media presence. 1. Sign up for Buffer. Create a free Buffer account or upgrade to access advanced features. 2. Connect your social media accounts. Link your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram accounts to Buffer for seamless management. 3. Create your first post. Click Create Post, choose the platform, and add your content, text, images, links, or videos. 4. Schedule your post. Choose the date and time you want your post to go live. Buffer allows you to schedule posts in advance for maximum reach. 5. Use the queue for regular posting. Add posts to your Buffer queue for automatic posting at optimal times. 6. Monitor analytics. Track engagement, clicks, and reach through Buffer's analytics to adjust your strategy accordingly. 7. Collaborate with your team. Buffer lets you collaborate on content planning and approval if you're working with a team. That's how you can use Buffer to manage and schedule your social media posts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.